Welcome to SlurryMonster. My name is Ryan Clacking. Today we'd like to show you the SlurryPack TOTE system 1 cubic yard. So what's included in this system is a 6x6 spill pack for the primary containment, a SlurryPack TOTE for your filtration media, and we're showing it with a SlurryMonster submersible pump to pump back all that discharge water to be reused in the process. First thing that gets installed to set this up is the spill pack 6x6. You can review the spill pack video for further instructions how to set that up. Over here to the right, you can see the spill pack 6x6 is set up. We do not need to install the track mats with the SlurryPack TOTE system because there'll be no entry in and out of the berm. Today we're going to display this system using a hanging bag. So let's go ahead and set the SlurryPack TOTE system up. This is exactly how you should expect this product to be delivered and shipped and packed. First thing in the system is what we call a zip pack tote. That is a 200-gallon, 1 cubic yard tote that can be used for various things. Today we're going to display that unit to be set up with a filter pack, which those two things combined will make the SlurryPack tote. This particular SlurryPack tote comes with a tall hanging bag with lift straps so that the filter itself can be removed from the zip pack and either emptied and reused or a new one inserted. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and install the SlurryPack TOTE system. First thing you need to do is go ahead and open up the bag properly. So you can see how this particular bag is folded in. This is the corner that is folded in. It's very important to grab this corner and really open this corner up as it being packed out. This will be the weakest point of this bag. Other than that, this bag is completely self-standing, ready to be used with liquid or dry materials. So to set this bag up, we're going to go ahead and peel back the zipper top. All zip packs come with a glued in 6mm liner. You'll go ahead and take this liner, go over all four corners. All zip packs come with an additional 6mm liner. This additional 6mm liner will be installed into this zip pack tote. This will be the dirty layer, or since this bag has a UNX rating, it can be used for groups 1, 2, and 3, hauling and disposal, which includes hazardous and non-hazardous materials. So now we're going to go ahead and install the second layer. Now the zip pack tote is ready for the filter pack insert. Since we're putting a filter pack into this unit, we're going to go ahead and actually cut slits in these corners to get the ears of this bag up so that we can lift this bag and also tie off the hanging bag loops to the zip pack tote loops. So we're cutting through those two bags. These bags are also extremely tall, as you can see. So there's a lot of plastic that can be welded around, coiled, and tied off for disposal purposes. So as you can see, this zip pack tote is now ready to have the filter pack be inserted into it. Now, once this filter pack is inserted, we've now created a dewatering box. The first part of the filter pack is what we call a drainette coil. This is specifically designed and sized to allow cavities in each of these corners so that we can drop our submersible pump into this corner and pump out that clean water. So once the drainette coil is installed, we'll go ahead and grab the filter of choice. In this particular case, this is what we call our hanging bag tall. It is a 1 cubic yard bag. We'll go ahead and install that into the drainette. You can see how oversized this is so that you'll have no problem lifting it out, and also that it will go ahead and bind up on that coil and dewater very efficiently. So we are going to tie off these straps to the zip pack bag. This will just get this bag prepared. Now this zip pack tote has been converted into what we call a SlurryPack tote. Simply put, slurry water is going to go inside of this filter. Clean water is going to come off the back side after it's treated. Let's go ahead and put this into the 6x6. When we combine the SlurryPack tote with a spill pack 6x6 and we add a collapsible 3x3 waste shield, this is what we call a SlurryPack 1 cubic yard tote system. This system will include a 3x3 waste shield that can go in the front of the system. This will give you 35 gallons of storage and can be used as a transfer bin so that if you want to dump your slurry into this storage area and set a slurry pump here, you can use this now to transfer the slurry from here into this filtered unit. This is very useful when you're using auto scrubbers that have a very low dump valve, or maybe a squeegee vac that you can't open and get it pumping inside. Therefore, you can bring that machine up to this SlurryPack 6x6 and discharge into the 3x3 to transfer it. And now go ahead and pump that slurry from the 3x3 into the filter bag. And then to finish this system off, we've included a SlurryMonster sub pump accessory. This is an excellent water pump. It's not designed for slurry, it's designed for clean water only. It'll come with a short 15-foot hose. This pump will be inserted on the back side of this drainette coil for a sole purpose of now returning that clean water back to the floor or back to the machine that is generating that waste. Very, very simple recycling system here. Again, whatever apparatus or equipment you're using to extract the slurry can come up to the system. Slurry pump will be installed in this 3x3 berm. You can discharge the machine into this small berm. You could treat it with Lucid or one of our products in this small berm or the machine itself, and then you're going to transfer from the 3x3 into the filter. This is going to dewater through the filter. We'll have clean water on the back side of this tote, and then we're going to pump that clean water back to that machine for reuse. These systems can also be expanded. So we're currently showing you a version of 1 cubic yard. This particular 6x6 can hold up to 4 cubic yards, so it can be configured in many ways. We also have various size spill packs where you can even get larger. So it's a very scalable system. Each slurry pack is designed for about 3,000 to 5,000 square foot. So depending on what your process is and how much wastewater you're going to generate, how quickly you're going to generate it, you may have to add additional slurry packs to this system so that you have enough slurry storage to allow that dewatering process to occur while you're pumping back the backside of that clean water to those machines. Thanks for listening. We'll do additional demos and displays of this system actually in use on the SlurryMonster University. Thank you.